Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Microtech. Today we will consider the problem as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. So I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch, pick any of the plane. I'm picking the YZ plane. So I'm going to pick my circle from this midpoint. I'm drawing a circle of diameter 60. Enter. Then another circle of diameter 40. Enter. Alright. I'm going to pick my line like this all the way down here, making the height of that line to be 10 mm. Enter. Then what? Closing the line right here. So I'm going to use my trim command. I'm going to trim this and this. I'm going to pick my dimension. With my dimension from this edge here to the bottom here, that's going to be mark 80 plus 35. Enter. All right. After doing that, what is the next procedure? I'm going to pick my circle also. I'm going to draw a circle here, circle of diameter 40, and with that same center, a circle of diameter 22. Enter. So I'm going to pick my dimension. I'm going to pick from here to here like that. So I'm going to make a distance of 35 like that. So and the height from this midpoint, okay, all the way to this area is going to be height of 60 like that. So after doing that, I'm going to pick a line like this standing at the midpoint here. Okay, I'm going to draw this line downward like this. So I'm going to use my offset at a distance of that's going to be 4. Offset like this 4. Enter. Then offset like this 4. Enter. So doing that, I'm going to take this out of the picture. Then I'm going to use my extend to extend this like this. So I think that's settled like that. So the next thing is I'm going to pick my line. I'm going to draw from the top here, okay, all the way to this area here, using my tangential constraints, this to this. This like that. So after doing that, I'm going to pick my line also from this midpoint towards the top like this, something like this. Okay, and I'm going to draw another one here like this. So picking my dimension, I'm going to dimension the whole of this area to be 15. Enter. And the here to here, I'm going to make it 8. Enter. Yeah, in that order. I'm going to make this height of 30. Enter. That is it. So after doing that, I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to finish sketch. On finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick my extrude command. I'm going to pick this, and this. So at a dimension of 80, I'm going to use symmetric like this. Then what? Okay, I'm going to click on extension. I'm going to share sketch. All right, I'm going to pick my extrude again. I'm going to pick this and this at a distance of 54 plus 16, that's 70. Okay, I'm going to make it symmetric also. I'm going to pick enter, then extrude one more time. So only this area like this, okay, at a distance of 54, then making it what? Symmetric. Then what? Cut like that. Then what? Okay, then my revolve. With my revolve, I pick this axis, I select this. Okay, then what? Okay, so I can just hide all of this. And okay, let me just beautify it, something titanium. Yes, I think something titanium is going to be good. OPQRST, titanium polished, something like this. Yeah, that looks good on it. So and that is the production of the object as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. All right, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Microtech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. And also we will appreciate if you use the thanks button displayed at the bottom of your screen on the options below. Thank you and God bless you.